continue on to the video, just need to be able to take a few seconds of your time. And so we want to be able to ask you a question. Are you looking to gain more referrals for your agency, your home health, your home care, your hospice agency? We want you to be able to join us at our online marketing bootcamp that has over 7.5 hours of training. When you actually watch our bootcamp and join our online marketing bootcamp training, you're going to get a free month access to our 10xpatientreferrals.com. So sign up for a limited time at 10xpatientreferrals.com and enjoy all the content. So let's go ahead and get back to the video that you're currently watching. Hey everyone, it's Michael here again with HomeHealthSuccessAcademy.com and 10xpatientreferrals.com, where we want to be able to share with you guys tricks, tips, and tactics and strategies on how to be able to market your home health, your home care, or your hospice agency. So in this video, we just want to be able to share with you guys certain things that we give out as treats when we're marketing out there. Because the last thing you want to do is you don't just want to come into a facility empty-handed. But at the very same time as you don't want to waste and spend a lot of money. Plus there's also some rules and regulation that you cannot spend a certain amount of money when you're marketing to some company. So we want to be able to share with you guys how to be able to save money, right? Because the last thing you want to do is waste money for unnecessary marketing tactics that don't work. And so we want to be able to kind of push you away from just the typical stuff that people will tell you what you need to do. So we like to do this called spa marketing package or spa marketing tactic, right? We normally do this around July, August, just for the summer months. But we also even do it during the winter time as well, especially on our agencies that are located in the Midwest and the northeastern parts of the United States. And so this is called a spa marketing tactic, right? So what we do is we either we'll send out a notice to our current referral sources and tell them, say, hey, just to let you know, it's spa month, right? And a lot of them already know that because we work with a lot of these referral sources for several years now. So when they hear spa month, they actually are enjoying it because they know what's going to happen. And we don't have to spend a lot of money every time that we visit them. When we're going after a potential new referral source, we do the very same exact thing, because you don't want to come in every time and just bring in pens, bring in a mug. You don't want to do the same typical stuff, right? You want it, when we teach people, is we want you to visit and follow up with people every single week. And we want you to be able to have something always new with you guys. So this is called the spa marketing tactic that we do, and I'm going to share with you guys some of the stuff that we give out to people that makes us stand out. So the first one, and actually I have several people that tell me this is my Korean marketing tactic, because a lot of stuff that we get sometimes are Korean based. Because in Korea they're very, very into their skin and treatments, right? So the first one that we love to give out is the mask treatment, right? So this is a sample mask that we have right here. So it's a retinol mask. It's supposed to be age defying. It's supposed to help with moisturizing your face. And so we, when we market to them, we say, hey, we want to make your day easier when it comes to, referring patients to us. We want to be able to remove the wrinkles that you get because you're just worried trying to find the right home health or home care company to refer to. So we'll give them a pack of these. And what's amazing about these masks, you can actually purchase them, 100 pieces. If you purchase 100 pieces like in Amazon, you probably spend less than 50 cents, 75 cents a piece for one of these. And they come in different, scents, different types of moisturizing treatments. And so it's an amazing thing right there. Now, I can't tell you which one works the best because I'm actually really bad at doing my own skincare. But this really works well, especially for a lot of the ladies out there who are referral sources. When they get these things, sometimes they forget to purchase them, or they heard about it but they never purchased it. So once again, they get one of these. But the truth is, when we give them one of these, we'll give them like a 5-pack and say, hey, this week, just wanted to give this to you. Maybe use it once a day, or for the next week or something like that. You can even use it while you're working. I mean, I've seen it where it's done, where I walk in and I see a referral source already have it in their face for a few minutes. So this right here is an amazing thing. You don't have to actually purchase this brand right here. You can go anywhere else and purchase it. Another good place to purchase these things for cheap by the bunch is in, I've seen it in TJ Maxx and in Marshalls as well. So That's one of the things that we give out. Another thing that we do is this. We actually hand out one of these things. Now, just to let you guys know, every time that we go every single week when it's what we call our spa month marketing, then we, if it's a new referral source, then we're gonna give them one of these items a week, right? When we're visiting, when we're following up. But when it comes to already current referral sources that are referring to us, then we're gonna give them a nicer package of all these items, right? And if you put all these packages together, it's probably going to cost you less than $15. But if you space them out through the week, then guess what? At least it's about $5. Because one of the things that we teach people is that we don't want you spending more than $5 every time you visit somebody and give them something, right? So this right here is your basic home care, pretty much nail care kit, right? So it's just one of these things right here. And this one right here, it costs us around $4.95 a piece. We can get it in Amazon, but there's a company called Wish.com that we also purchase them from. So it just depends on which one works for you. And Wish actually, it probably costs you about $2 sometimes for this, but it's going to be coming in from China, and you have to pay like $3 for shipping and handling. So it pretty much, if you have a Prime membership, then you're okay, right, with Amazon, and so you get the shipping for free. So it just depends on what you guys want to be able to do. Another thing we like to be able to do is give them what they call a back scratcher. You've probably seen one of these made out of bamboo. And we'll put something note in there. We'll put an attachment in the end, one of our business cards, and what we're going to say is like, hey, we want to be able to scratch your back when you need our help. And so we just want to be able to give this to you. It's just a little pun, just a little little quirky little thing that you guys can add to that, which is an amazing thing you can do. My goal here is to keep your expenses low. These things in Amazon, I purchased 5 of these as a 5-pack for $6. And so right there alone, once again, $1 handout that you can give out when you walk into a facility. And this actually works really well. I want to scratch your back when you need help with new referral sources. It kind of, they kind of get it. Most of them will get it right away, what we're talking about. Another thing that we like to give out is the Dead Sea mask. So we give one of these. This thing's cost us somewhere around $6, but you can get smaller containers for like $3.50, $4. It just makes you stand out. Now, another one that we love to actually give out is custom soaps, right? So there's a lot of people out there that will make soap and make custom soaps. And so what I like to do is use this company right here, and they put that little wax mark right there. It makes us stand out. We can attach our brochure, attach our business card, and we give it to them and say, hey, just wanted to be able to give you a custom soap, right? One of the favorite scents is, this one, for example, is cucumber melon, then there's vanilla, then they have lily of the valley, just a variety of different things that you guys can do. Another thing that we like to give out in another week is scented candles or scented oils, right? But scented candles work pretty well. Now, when it comes to scented candles, we'll purchase these candles in a dollar store. So it's going to cost us only like about $1, but we'll try to add a little bit extra to it, like put it in a nice box just to give the presentation a lot better. And so once again, it stands out. We do like to make sure on the other side of the candle, we do put our logo in it, or in the bottom of the candle, we put our logo, and we just say, hey, if you use this up already, let us know. We want to be able to get you a brand new one. So it's only $1 for one of these decent sized candles. If they call us and they say, hey, we ran out, I want another one, we can come back, and for $1, they just gave us the authorization to come back and see them. So it's about building, that relationship with them that matters the most. Now, when we talk about scented candles, there's these things called a scented oil diffuser, right? And so what you can do is, if you go to Amazon right now, you can get like maybe a 300cc, 400cc diffuser, and it only costs you less than $15, okay? Now, you can purchase it for as low as $3, $4 when you purchase it at wish.com, for example. But like I said, you have to pay for shipping and handling. It's going to take a little bit longer to get to you. So it's up to you what you guys want to do. But anyways, what it is that we'll plug in the diffuser at work, and the diffuser, you put water in it, and you add the scented oil, and the diffuser will just kind of make a mist out of it and allows the area that they're working in to smell good. So, because in a nursing home, for example, things are so in tight spaces, or even in the hospitals, some of these social workers and discharge planners, they're like in the basement sometimes, or in the weird room in the back of the floor. And so by adding this, it gives a nice scent to their area, right? And what's amazing is you tell them, hey, every time you come in, and we do this on an occasional basis. If we have a relationship with them, every time we come in every month, we bring in a new oil scent, right? So if today's lavender, the next month will be sandalwood. And what we like to do also sometimes is we say, hey, do you guys like the lavender? And they say, yes. Have you tried lavender vanilla? And so we'll mix lavender and vanilla oils into these diffusers. So for less than, $15 when we're visiting them once a month, all of a sudden you have a connection with them. All of a sudden you stand out. And these are things that you want to be able to do. And another reason why we like to do the spa marketing around July and August is because of June. There's this thing called June sale, right? And so if you're not familiar with June sale happens in Victoria's Secret and Bath and Body, because those are both under the same company. And so around June time, all of their lotions, all of their spritzers, all their sprays, all of their soaps, all of these things that they sell goes to like about 25% the price of the normal price. And so, so what we do is when this happens, we just go in and we purchase a lot from them, right? Because it's branded. And we only purchase them for like $2 sometimes for a lotion that would cost us $10, $12. So because we're getting it at a low cost, it makes sense to make sure that we give those. So, like I said, 1 week when it comes to spa marketing tactics, you don't have to do this in July, August. You can do it anytime that you guys want to. Lotion is going to cost us less than, for 2 lotions, it's going to cost us less than $5 when we come in. You have to make sure you do everything that makes you as a company stand out and you as a marketer stand out, so that when they see you, when these referral sources see you, they're like, okay, I remember him because he or she stood out. So that's one tactic. It's called the spa marketing. And at the same time, it helps you save money. So once again, this is Michael with Home Health Success Academy. Marketing is easy when you know what you're doing. And don't forget, click subscribe. And then if you love this video, if you love the information we gave to you guys, please like the video as well. And don't forget to click the bell icon, because you'll be notified every time we have a new video like this to be able to help you market your company even better and have great solution. Have a great day. This video is brought to you by medicationreminderprogram.com. Are you trying to look for that one edge up to be able to get you more referrals or to get new referral sources? Well, that's medicationreminderprogram.com. If you start offering this for your patients and future patients, you're going to be able to show future referral sources that you're doing something different, that you're providing better services than your competition. The daily reminder program goes like this. We will call the patients for you twice a day and remind them to take their medications at 9 o'clock in the morning and at 5 p.m. A top reason for hospitalization of seniors is not taking their medications. So what you're going to be doing here is you're going to be giving them comfort of mind, both family and referral sources. So sign up to medicationreminderprogram.com right now. There's 3 packages available, but at the very same time right now, with code 50 off, you can actually get 50% off our gold plan and the platinum plan. So just stop by medicationreminderprogram.com and let us help you get more referrals. Let's go back to the video you're currently watching. Hey everyone, we want to be able to invite you to our 10xpatientreferrals.com, where we have our online home health marketing academy that's going to be able to help either a home health, home care, or hospice agency increase referrals, increase their census, and create a profitable company. Now, at this very moment, you're going to have access to these information through these training, marketing to physicians, how to get to hospitals, how to be able to get into nursing homes, and much, much more at a month-to-month basis with no contracts needed. It's just month to month. Now, guess what? We are offering you guys for a limited time 50% off any one of our plans. Just choose which one is going to be able to work better for you. So just stop by the 10xpatientreferrals.com at any given moment. So these are the plans that are available, whether it's the gold, the silver, or the platinum plan. Most people go for the gold plan, but it's up to you what's going to work for you. We definitely want to be able to have you come in and work with us. So here's 2 choices. Go to 10xpatientreferrals.com or click the link down below. Take advantage of this right now at this very moment and sign up with us.